Y'all, I was reviewing my Substack comments this morning and I came across a comment by a white woman that seemed like it was gonna be okay. Okay, she was talking about her own conditioning. She was talking about whiteness. But then she took that goofy colonizer turn, okay, and started to talk about black people, starting to say that she's, so many of us have lost our way. I'm sorry, what? Look, let me make this very, very clear. The only authority that white people have to speak on is whiteness. You understand? Black people do not need your colonizer diagnosis. Okay? We do not need your help. Ever. Stay in your own damn lane. Y'all got plenty of issues to address. So go fix that. Fix yourself.